Morning all. Bit of a sad subject really. If you remember a few months back, me and Andy went up to a job that had just been rewired. Let's just say it wasn't a great job. The standard was really poor and the workmanship was shocking really. Remember this video here. I got the client contacted me and said that he's had someone in now to rewire and done the board. He sent me some pictures and it looks, it looks decent. It looks to a good standard, better than it was, yeah? Compliant, let's say. He then messaged me to say, unfortunately, that he'd spoken to trading standards about the company, and then after that, call it a coinky dink, he's been getting threats. And he also got his windows smashed in, yeah? See the picture here? He got his windows smashed in and he's been getting terrorised by people. Call it a coincidence. I can't blame anyone because you can't prove anything. All I can go by is my my thinking and the evidence that I've been shown. That you report someone to trading standards and then a couple of days later your windows get smashed. So you just put two and two together, don't you? So yeah, it's sad for the client. He's a nice guy. He's been done over by this company. And I just wanted to update you on the situation. So yeah, just be careful who you use. Use a reputable company. Use someone that the family's used before. We're available for work. We're very busy, but I do try to help subscribers out. I've done a lot of jobs for subscribers now. Yeah, so just be careful. Use a tradesman, pick them wisely, yeah? Even if you go by, a lot of the time, if you go by reviews online, a lot of them are paid, yeah? Paid reviews. And I know the company that did the original rewire said to the chap, if you leave us a good review, we'll give you 50 quid back, yeah? So this sun is really bright. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.